These rare vintage beach photos will take you on a journey to a time when enjoying the sun and sea was a completely different experience. Forget everything you thought you knew about beach life in the past. These incredible images reveal a world of fun, style and elegance that has long since disappeared. What did women wear to the beach over a century ago? How did they spend their time by the ocean? We'll show you moments that are rarely seen in history books. Get ready to see how beach life was really like before modern swimsuits and gadgets. Look at these women enjoying their time at the beach. The swimsuits they wore were nothing like what we see today. They were often full-body outfits that covered much more skin. But even with modest clothing, their elegance shines through. Every smile, every pose captures a moment of carefree joy, far away from the distractions of modern life. Beach fashion in those days was all about style and comfort. Wide-brimmed hats, parasols, and beautifully designed swimsuits were essential for any day by the water. These women knew how to make a statement, even when they were relaxing by the sea. Imagine walking along the beach with such grace and poise, surrounded by timeless beauty. Want even more vintage beach content? Join us on Patreon for exclusive videos, behind-the-scenes footage, and so much more. Your support helps keep these lost moments from history alive. The beach was a place of leisure, but also of fun. Families and friends gathered to play in the sand, swim in the ocean, or simply enjoy the fresh air. No smartphones, no distractions, just simple pleasures like building sandcastles or taking a dip in the cool water. These photos show a time when the beach was about relaxation and connection with nature. Look at the beaches themselves, wide, open, and untouched by modern development. These natural landscapes were the perfect backdrop for a day of fun and adventure. The ocean was the same, but everything around it was simpler, quieter. These rare photos let us see how different the world was, even in places that seem so familiar to us today. Love these rare glimpses into beach life from the past? Become a sponsor on YouTube. Your support helps us continue to bring you unique stories and forgotten moments from history. The beaches of the past may be long gone, but through these photos we can still feel their beauty and charm. They remind us of how much has changed and how much we've left behind. As we look at these moments frozen in time, we wonder, what other stories from that era have been lost forever? If you enjoyed this journey into vintage beach life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to explore history and share these incredible moments with you. These rare vintage beach photos will completely change how you see the past. Forget what you thought about beach fashion and fun. These images show a side of history you've never seen before. Want to know how women enjoyed the sun and sea over a century ago? Watch till the end.